Hi everyone, Linda here with Total Wreath Design. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a video on how to make your own wreath form using the Dollar Tree frame. But first I would like to introduce myself again, Linda with Total Wreath Design, owner and designer. And I've been making wreaths for about 3 years now, and I sell mainly on Etsy. So be sure to check out my Etsy shop. All right, let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and pan you down here. All righty. Let's make sure we can see. All righty. Once again, this frame came from the dollar store or the Dollar Tree. And this is what I use on every wreath that I make. I don't usually buy the wreath forms because they are a little bit more expensive. And personally, I just try to save a little bit of money every time I make a wreath. Therefore, it saves my customer money as well. So what we're going to do, we are going to use, I'm having to make a customer wreath. It's a dog wreath, which I'm going to do following this video. But we are going to use these natural color pipe cleaners, which came from Hobby Lobby. You're going to need 18 of them. So I'm going to show you really quick how to put those on. Again, you'll need a Dollar Tree wreath form and 18 pipe cleaners. So what you're going to do is, we're going to start with the inside. So the inside 2 rings. So, which are these 2 rings here. And these are your outer rings, I'm going to call them the outside. So we're going to put one on each section between the 2 bars is a section. We're going to put one around both in each section. So you're going to tie it around. You're going to pull it kind of tight, but not too tight, because you don't want to break those bars. And then that's it. So you're going to twist twice. All right, so you're going to put it through those 2 on the inside rings. You're going to twist 2 times. Make sure you can see that. All right, we're going to go to the next one. 1 and 2. I do not use glue. I feel like when you attach them to 2 bars, it keeps it pretty secure. So I don't ever use glue. And I've never had a problem with them slipping. So... and other people do this differently. This is just the way I prefer to do it. I just feel like when the amount that I put on here, it just kind of spreads everything out evenly. And let me go ahead and cut this tag off. All right. So now we've got the interior rings done. Hope you guys can see that. So I've put one in between each bar on those inner two rings. And now we're going to do the outside rings. So again, between the 2 bars in this section, we're going to put 2 in each on the bottom 2 rings. And I know it'll make more sense when you see it. So we're going to go around 2 as well. Same thing, we're going to twist it twice, like a bread tie. And the other one in that same section, again, twist twice like a bread tie. All right, so this is what it looks like. So you've got 1 in the center in this section, and you've got 2 on the lower bars. So you've got 3 in each section. All right, I'll go ahead and finish these. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions at all. All right, 1 more in this section. Now to the next section, we're going to put the first one and the second one. And typically what I try to do is I try to center, and let me show you a little bit closer so you can see. So I try to center the pipe cleaners. So if you can see in this section here, I center it between the bar and the middle one. Can you see that? So this one is centered between the bar, just to kind of evenly spread them out. So when you put your mesh on or your ribbon on, it's all distributed evenly and it just looks so much nicer. So that's the way I do it. And I just feel like it looks so much better where the ribbons aren't on top of each other. It just makes a prettier design. All right, now to the next section. We've already got that one on the top too. We're gonna put this one here between the bar, center between the bar and the middle one. All right, and our last section. All right, and that is it. So here's what it looks like. I don't know if you could get it a little closer. So I've got 3 in each section. 3 pipe cleaners in each section. All right, guys, if you have any questions, let me zoom you back up. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me. I'll be glad to answer any questions you have. And then be sure to look out for my upcoming video on making a dog mesh wreath that we'll be using this frame for. All right, thanks so much, guys.